Kayte Deioma. Which TV or movie set your tour will visit on the Warner Bros. Studio Tour Hollywood will depend on which sets are not currently taping. On my first tour, we visited the set of the NBC show Chuck. Cameras had to stay locked up in the cart while we explored the courtyard of Chuck's apartment building with its central fountain, carefully navigating cables and ladders, and had a peek at Chuck's apartment. On the back room at the Buy More set, our guide Tetris entertained us by casting a couple of tourists to act out a scene while he mimed the cameraman shooting the same scene from many angles. I really wish I had had my camera for that one. We drove by the Ellen Soundstage, but taping was in progress so we couldn't visit. Ellen usually tapes Monday through Thursday, so there's not much chance of getting in there except for the occasional Friday and when they're on hiatus. On my second tour, we visited the Conan O'Brien set and the live audience section of Two Broke Girls. Personally, I find it more interesting to see the sets where fictional stories are taped, rather than talk show sets, since they're more colorful, but you never know what you're going to get. The selection of sets that tours can visit is much greater when many shows are on hiatus, so summer and holidays are a good time to take the Warner Bros. Tour.